Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to close your Nerdwallet account. Are you looking to delete your Nerdwallet account for any specific reason? Well, here's how to close your account safely and completely. First, log into your account at nerdwallet.com. Once you're there, click your profile icon in the top right corner and then select settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the account info page and look for the option that's labeled close accounts or delete my account. Click on it and Nerdwallet will ask you to confirm your decision. You may be prompted to enter your password and give a brief reason for leaving. This helps to improve the platform for other users. Once confirmed, your account will be permanently deleted, including any saved financial data, linked accounts, or credit monitoring services. Make sure to download or save any information that you may need before you proceed. After deletion, you're going to receive an email confirming that Nerdwallet account has been closed. Simple, secure, and entirely within your control. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet account management tips that keep you in charge. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.